Welcome back to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, we will see how you can permanently remove Yahoo Search from Google Chrome and stop Chrome from redirecting your searches to Yahoo. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After opening Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu that appears, scroll down and click on Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand side and click on Startup. Here, you will see a few options. Select Open a specific page or set of pages. This setting controls which page opens automatically when you launch Chrome. Now click on Add a new page. In the box that appears, type the URL www.google.com, and then click on Add. This ensures that Chrome will always open Google instead of Yahoo or any other unwanted search page when you start the browser. After that, move to the search engine section from the left-hand side of the settings menu. Here you will see the default search engine that Chrome uses for searching in the address bar. If you see any other search engine selected instead of Google, you should remove it. In my case, there is no other search engine listed here, but on your computer you might see Yahoo or some unknown search engines added automatically by certain extensions or software. Now click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Once this page opens, scroll down a little and look at the list of search engines added in your browser. If you see any unwanted search engine like Yahoo or any suspicious website, you can easily remove it. To delete it, click on the three dots next to that search engine, and then click on Delete. Repeat this step for any other unwanted search engines that appear in the list. Make sure that Google remains as your main and default search engine. After deleting those entries, Chrome will stop redirecting your searches to Yahoo or any other unwanted search provider. This simple process helps remove those unwanted redirects that sometimes appear when a browser extension or software changes your search engine without your permission. That's it. Your Chrome browser should now work normally and use Google as the default search engine again. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official.